Akiaria hindi ya igongona riri thingiraini wa iregi, Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni atariirie gikeno giake thutha wa maumirira ma timu ino mahenya-ini ma mbeu njithi, akiuga ati giki ni kiambiriria kiega gia bururi wa Kenya.
So to me it is not a winning, to me it is the participation, to me it is the ability to show that Kenya can actually host an event like this, and for that we're there, everybody and general country, you put on a wonderful event.
President ni agathiriirie kamiti iria irabangaga mibango yothe ya mahenya maya itongoretio ni Mwangi Muthee, kuona hatiri undu ona umwe wahingicanire na gutuma ndumiriri thii yothe ati Kenya no ihote.
Those who organized the event, and really right now I believe that Kenya now should be talking about hosting not just the juniors but also hosting the major IWF meet in the African country. We are the home of Africa. We are the home of champions.
Mwenaini wake Minister wa mathako Dr. Hassan Wario ni akenereire muikarire wa imwana ici hindi ya mahenya maya, akiuga iheo ici ni kurumbuyanio nacio ni undu wa matuku meguka.
We have a team of youngsters who are highly talented and they have the future ahead of them. They have very great discipline according to their coaches. They also, most of them registered good personal time. There was someone who had personal best time. There was no doping at all. They are clean and we encourage them to remain clean.
Oho, President ni atugite atengeri aya na kimanjika gia ciringi milioni 7.6 na icera ria thiku 4 mwena wa gicua-ini, kuria mutengeri wothe akamukira ciringi 100,000 handu-ini ha Kameme TV. Njitagwo mwihaki wa Ndogo.